Hi, this is Dr. Manisha Dikshit and welcome you to my channel Pranayatan Ayurveda. Why we need detoxification? Stress, pollution and wrong dietary habits are the main cause of accumulation of toxins in the body. To get rid of these toxins, it is necessary to detoxify yourself. Many systemic diseases like acne, arthritis, migraine, hypertension, PCOD and infertility are the main diseases which are due to accumulation of toxins in your body. The main detoxifying organs are liver, kidney and intestine. In this video, I will tell you some natural methods to detoxify yourself. When we eat fried food, fatty food, fast food and processed food on regular basis, it remains in your intestine. These toxic food particles stuck in your intestine and causes gastrointestinal problems. When these food particles stuck on skin, it causes acne, and when it blocks airways, it causes asthma. So how we can remove these toxins from our body? Acharyas have different granthas or different texts about these detoxification methods. The first one method of the detoxification is oil pulling. This method is very easy and cost effective also. Oil pulling has amazing benefits. Yes, every morning you can take 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, or you can take coconut oil, or you can take mustard oil, empty stomach and hold this oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. What theory works around it? According to Ayush protocol, in COVID-19, this oil pulling is also very effective. The main theory for this process is that the microorganisms have lipid membrane, and when oil attaches with these microorganisms, or you can say with these lipid membranes, this oil breaks the lipid membrane and pulls all infections or toxins out from your body. At the time of the oil pulling, you can read or you can do any other work when you put oil in your mouth. After a point, you won't be able to hold the oil inside, spit it out. When you spit the oil outside, you will see that the oil is milky in nature, and it is also good for your oral health also. The other benefit of oil pulling is that during this procedure, automatic facial exercises occur. Next method for detoxification is kunjal. It is good for the persons who have pitta prakriti. Take 2 to 4 glasses of water, especially salted water. Put 2 fingers inside your throat and vomit it out. You will see that all bile which is accumulated in night will be removed and you will feel light and energetic. You can do this procedure once in a month, or whenever you feel acidity or you feel some toxins accumulated in your intestine also. The next method is Shankh Prakshalan. It is also an effective method to clean your small and large intestine. Take 10 to 12 glasses of warm water and put some rock salt in it. It should be slightly salty. And now by taking 1 or 2 deep breaths, start to drink this salted water. Practically, take 2 glasses of water and do some asanas and body movements. You will see that the stomach will pass this water down to the small and large intestine. So now do some asanas. I would recommend the sequence of these asanas, like first of all you can do Tadasan, then Triyak Tadasan, third one is Vakrasan, then Kati Chakra Asan, and last one is Bhujangasan. Do 5 sets of each asanas after taking 2 glasses of water. After that again drink 2 glasses of water and do same 5 sets of these asanas. Remember, drink this water sip by sip, slowly, and whenever you feel pressure, you should immediately go and pass out motion. So this activity should go on and on with the water which comes out from your intestine is absolutely clean. It shows your intestine is now free of toxins. One important thing is that at this time, eat liquid form of khichdi and add 100 gram of cow ghee or clarified butter in it. This ghee lubricates your intestine and it will give energy to you also. Drink only the amount of water according to your body capacity. Don't force yourself to drink more and more water. This process is very easy and very effective to clean your all system, stomach, intestine, especially large intestine or small intestine. The next one is the enema or Vasti procedure. In Ayurveda, Acharyas describe different enemas. In general practice, it is better to take saline water enema. You can use up to 650 ml of saline water. It will be salted in nature for enema purpose. You can use this enema for 21 days. It will be better to regulate the movement of your large intestine, and it is better for Vat Prakriti people. Last but not least, purgation or virechan is the process for Kayakalp or detoxification. The best season for this procedure is September-October month. In this procedure, we do Purva Karma like Snehapan and Deepan Pachan, means to take medicated ghee or oil in increasing order. And after that procedure, we will do massage or steam of the patient, and after that the main procedure is therapeutic purgation. And last one is Paschat Karma or Sansarjan Karma, in which the person takes diet according to the physician. This is the best method for healthy persons or for the persons who are suffering from pitta diseases like skin problems, high cholesterol problems, etc. This is the main procedure of detoxification, but it needed guidance. These all detoxification procedures provide you energy, positivity and rejuvenation. So try these procedures and see that you will feel clean internally. Have a positive energy with you, and so charge yourself, rejuvenate yourself and detoxify yourself. Stay fit and stay healthy. If you like our content, share it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.